morning. Welcome to My Little Tales. There's my little tail back there. Our big tail is right here.
Good morning.
And we are headed to the beach in Malibu. I have to work tonight, so we are trying to have our family day early. We're at Surfrider Beach in Malibu. And what is this lagoon, Brian? Or is this a lagoon or is it part of the cleanup?
It's like a state parks, wetland, preserve.
Cool. Our birds, really cool birds are in this thing. This is right across the street from Cross Creek in Malibu if you ever want to come out here. It's a really nice place. Cora? Hey Cora,
You're welcome.
can you say hi?
Say hi to Mommy.
Hi. We're out at Surfrider Beach. We've got our camp spot set up and we're gonna be here for a few hours, just hanging out. Cora, you like the beach?
I do like it.
You wanna go get in the water?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
That's good.
Let's go, come on. You gonna head to the water. Woohoo! I can't see the camera at all because it's kind of sunny out here. But can you guys see Cora?
Yeah.
Can you see Cora? It's a beach, it's a beach. You want to get in the water? Let's put our toes in the water. Come on. Let's put our feet in the water. It's been a while since I put my toes in here. Woo, it's cold. Where'd that little stinker run off to? Where'd she go? Cora likes to run to the beach and then run to her dad.
You wanna go?
He's throwing a butt.
You wanna go swimming in the water, Cora?
Yes.
Let's go swimming.
All right, you guys have fun. It's a little too cold for me.
Maybe we wait till the sun comes out a little bit.
Yeah, June gloom, it's almost mid-July. It's still gloomy out here in the mornings, but it's actually really warm. Right, Brian?
I heard the water temperature's pretty warm.
Usually when the water temperature is really warm, I think that the waves are better. So there are a bunch of surfers out. So we had to get out here early this morning, because if you don't get out here early, you have to park really far away.
Oh, no. Leave that.
Brian found something. He's going to bring it up to us. What is it? Oh, he found the paintbrush. What is it, Cora? What are you doing? What is that?
Is it hurt?
No. She was putting a piece of seaweed on me and telling me, or a seed thing, and telling me it was a poopy head. Oh, now the waves are coming in. disclosure, I'm a little bit afraid of the water, but we want Cora to not be as afraid of the water as I am, but I grew up in a landlocked state, so that's why. So we've been bringing her to the beach since she was 6 or 8 weeks old. We've been bringing her to the beach for a long time. Okay.
You want to go in the water?
Walk down with them. Some rocks. You gotta watch your step.
That looks good, huh?
Hey guys,
Play.
it's cold.
You can get in that water. All right. Woohoo!
It's cold.
Woohoo!
You like that, Cora?
All right.
You got some covers?
It's fun.
Yeah. Cora's getting warm and cozy now.
Yeah, she got in the water with you. It was really cold in
This
there.
is having
You warm
fun.
now? She's getting warm. Feels good to be. She's letting me hold her right now.
Yeah.
She
Cool.
doesn't let me cuddle her anymore.
Not when I'm home on the weekend.
No. Yeah, Liz is building a sandcastle over there. Where'd Cora go? Where's Cora? Where is she? Cora? Where's Cora?
No.
No. Cora!
No.
Cora, where's Cora? Where is she? This really cool shell that Brian found, and it's Cora's shell now. Where'd you find it?
It wasn't visible.
There she is.
Kind of like there was a couple inches of water on it, and you can see through the water in there. Yeah. And I saw it rolling around.
Cool. Nice shell. You ever smelled inside one of these? You ever smelled inside one of these? When I was a little kid, I smelled inside one of these, and it smelled really bad because something had like crawled up in there and died.
Well, I guess it's possible. I haven't smelled it.
I don't want to smell it again.
It smells fine.
Maybe whoever was living in there moved out.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Cora?
I'm thinking.
You're thinking.
Daddy, no.
Oh, Daddy looks like a big sea, or well, Daddy looks like a sea
I
otter
can
out
go
there.
underwater.
He is. He just went underwater and floated. It's so cold too. Do you think it's cold in the water? There he is. He's a sea otter. My husband, the sea otter.
Back. And no, Daddy. No, Daddy. No, Daddy. No, stop, Daddy.
Whitney went back home. Whitney's your cousin, huh?
And that was Richie.
Richie's your other cousin. He went back home too. What? Any more cousins you want to think about?
Mhm.
I love you. You having fun, Cora?
Mhm.
Eating some chips?
Look that one.
Ah! What are we doing? What is she doing to me? Whoa! Stretch! Whee! You playing guitar? A, B, C, D.
Mommy.
I would like to order some fresh strawberries, please.
Okay, here.
Oh, yummy. Oh, that was really good. Thank you. What would you like to order?
I'd like to order some cheese.
Some what?
I'd like to order some cheese.
Some C's?
I like to order cheese.
Cheese. Cora wants to order cheese. Okay, let's have some cheese. There you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Look at the boat, Cora. You want to go for a ride on that boat?
Yeah, I want to go for a ride on that boat too. I'd like to spend a day on that boat. Someday we will spend a night on a boat like that. Especially if we live out here. You look like a giant. You look like a giant from this
Giant?
angle. You look like a giant. My BFG. My big friend giant. Big freaking giant. Yeah, ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Sing with me. Oh, big hugs.
You want to go back in the water?
No.
So here's the bad news right now. I have to go to the bathroom in the porta potty, and I still wear a one piece. It's just like, this is the time now, I think, that I'm ready for a two-piece. Simply so I don't have to get naked in a porta potty. That's it, we're done at the beach, and we are headed home. So that's it for today, and we're signing off, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.